everyone. I am Techi and today I am present here with a new activity of balloon pinwheel which is presented by the computer crew. So let's start with it.
What is balloon pinwheel? Use a straw and a balloon to make a spinning pinwheel. The pinwheel works with inflating the balloon and then letting it go. Air rushes out of the balloon through the straw, which causes the balloon pinwheel to spin. It's a neat science toy.
Here are the material required to make a balloon pinwheel and they are the straw, pencil with rubber on its back, straight pin, tape and balloon. You can see the image of the material also.
Steps to make a balloon pinwheel. Attach the balloon to the one end of a straw using a tape, like it is shown in the image.
The second step is at the point where the tape ends on straw. Take and insert a hand pin through the straw, passing through the straw, and insert it on the rubber at the back of the pencil to give it a support.
Third step. Blow air from the open end of the straw into the balloon.
Here is a video of how the balloon pinwheel works.
This was our whole video. Team members of this presentation are Krish Singh, Yash Bansal, and Abhinav Singhal.
Here is a self-reflection from Techi. This was a very amazing project and I learned a new things. I heard for the first time the word balloon pinwheel. Here's the second self-reflection from Abhinav Singhal. I liked this PBL a lot and preparing for model was an amazing experience. And the third self-reflection from Yash Bansal is this was a wonderful project and this was a very new thing which I learned how to make balloon pinwheel.
Hope you all liked this presentation. Thank you.